In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert calendar invites into marketing emails in HubSpot. First, create the event and get a link that your recipients can use. If you're using Google Calendar, create the event with the correct date, time zone, and description, then save it. Open the event, click the three dots for more actions, choose Publish Event, and copy the URL that Google provides. That link works well for recipients who use Google Calendar. But if your audience uses a variety of calendar apps, consider using an Add to Calendar service like Add Event or CalET. These tools generate a universal link that detects the recipient's platform and offers appropriate options for Google, Apple, Outlook, and others, giving a smoother experience. If you prefer to attach a traditional calendar file, export or create an iCal file with the .acs extension, upload that .acs to HubSpot's file library and copy the file URL. That URL can be used directly in your email so people can download and open the event in their preferred app. Next, open your email in HubSpot. From the marketing menu, go to Email and either open an existing draft or create a new email. Make sure your email content is ready and your layout is set before inserting the calendar link, so you place the call to action in the right spot. Now add a clear call to action in the email body. You can use concise text like Add to Calendar or create a small graphic that functions as the CTA. If you use an image, add descriptive alt text so screen readers and people with images turned off still understand the purpose. To insert the link, highlight the CTA text or select the image, then click the link icon in HubSpot's rich text editor. It looks like a small chain. In the pop-up, choose the URL option, paste the calendar link you copied earlier, and click Add Link. If you uploaded an .acs file, paste that file URL here instead. Double-check that the link is complete and uses the correct protocol, like HTTPS, to avoid broken links. Finally, review and send. Use HubSpot's preview tools and send test emails to different email clients and devices to make sure the calendar link behaves as expected. Click the link in a test message to confirm it opens the correct calendar option or downloads the .acs file. Once everything checks out, you're ready to send to your contact list. A simple, well-placed calendar CTA can significantly increase attendance and reduce scheduling friction for your event.